MileageLog by Netin.com is an application that uses the GPS system in Android phones to record and report vehicle mileage. MileageLog makes it easy to log trips with a few simple key presses on your phone rather than having to write down trips in a paper logbook. Here's an example of how easy it is to use MileageLog. Since the GPS has acquired sync, we can go ahead and start our trip. Now, since lat-long locations are a bit cumbersome to have in a mileage report, we can save a name for the starting or ending location. And we do it like this. My office. Tapping the From button saves that name to that set of coordinates. This means the next time you go to that place, the program remembers the name. This reduces the amount of data that needs to be entered. After a few days of traveling to your most frequently visited destinations, you'll find that you don't have to enter names very often at all, and it makes it much simpler to keep track of your mileage. Notice that the mileage is increasing as we travel. You can also start a trip from a previously saved location by using a long press on the From button to recall a list of locations, like this. Let's say we wanted to start this trip from the bank. Notice that the program will measure the distance from that selected starting point and where we are and adjust the mileage accordingly. MileageLog can be run in the background while running other applications in the foreground, such as Google Maps. The icon in the notification bar lets you know that MileageLog is still running in the background. Similarly, it is easy to place a phone call while running the application. Let's make a call now.
Thank you for calling Netin.com. Our office hours.
What a nice voice. We can end that call now. Now, if we go back to MileageLog, we can see that the distance has continued to accrue as we've been driving along. As soon as we arrive at our destination, we'll press the Stop Tracking button to stop our trip. At that point, we'll have the opportunity to either enter text to save to that destination, or if it is a location that we visited before, then the name that we've previously stored will appear in that field. And we are just pulling up to the client's location now. And we're ready to stop the trip. And since this is a place we've been before, Client Inc. appears in the To field. The default purpose is meeting, but you can either type in other text or select from a list of other purposes that you've previously recorded, similarly to the way we did the To and From. Now that we've arrived and we've entered our information, we can save the trip to our CSV file. And congratulations, you've just logged a trip. For more information about additional features of MileageLog or for detailed instructions on using the program and emailing reports, please see our website. MileageLog is sold on Google Market for $1.99.